If you're dealing with severe sciatica, here's an easy 3-step process to get quick relief. The first step is making sure we take pressure off the nerve. You're in pain because one of the 5 nerves that come together from your lower back to make up your sciatica is being pinched. The most common site that it gets pinched is right where it exits the spine. There's a little hole, and typically it's just inflammation sitting in that hole compressing the nerve. This is how you're gonna get relief. You will need 2 pillows, one for your head, and you're gonna put one between your ribs and your hip bone. You're gonna lay on the side that does not have pain. When you're in this position, it is really important that you put that pillow in between your rib and hip bone. What this is gonna do, it's gonna help you open up that space where that nerve exits the spine. It's gonna really give that nerve some relief. If you're in this position for 10 seconds and it's already relieving, let's get you even more relief. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take this top foot and work it down the bottom leg. Let it rest on your calf for another 10 seconds. If there's no pain in this position, we can go even further. But if you do have pain, bring the knee back and hang out here for 2 minutes. But let's progress. So from here, you're gonna drop this top knee down to the floor. It is really important that when you're in this position, that you're in a straight line. If you're twisted at all, either way, you're gonna feel pinching or pulling down here in your lower back, and I do not want you to feel any of that. That's just gonna further irritate your sciatic nerve. Hang out in this position for 2 minutes. After that, you're gonna feel amazing. Now that you've gotten some relief from step 1, I'm Dr. Clayton with Empower Health and Performance. I help people overcome sciatica on a daily basis by using this exact process. Now, this is just a way to get quick relief. If you want lasting results, make sure to hit that subscribe button because next week I'm going to be posting a video on some great stretches and exercises that will keep your sciatica from coming back. Step 2. Now that we've taken some pressure off the nerve, we need to get the nerve to start gliding past where it's being pinched. Nerves hate being compressed and they hate being pulled on. This is a great way to really start to unlock that nerve. Now, it's really important you start on the side that does not have pain because as I'm doing this, the nerves from my left side are actually getting pulled to the right, starting to get that nerve to unlock past that inflammation. Like I said, 15 times going back and forth, make sure you feel no shaking. Then you're gonna move to the side that has pain. Be very, very careful on this side. Like I said earlier, nerves don't like being pulled on and they don't like being compressed. So stay within a range that you feel no stretch or shaking. This is how you do the same nerve glide in a seated position. Sit up nice and tall, make sure you're sitting on top of your butt bones. From there, you're gonna straighten the leg that is not painful and you're gonna look up at the same time. The more range of motion you do, the better. The more that nerve is gonna start to move, the more you move. Then you're gonna switch to the side that is painful and do the same thing, but do a little bit less range of motion with that leg so you don't piss off the nerve. Have you been dealing with sciatica for a long time and nothing is helping? Drop a comment down below explaining what you're feeling, and let's see if we can figure this out together. The third and final step is finding movements that aren't painful. It's really important that you get your body start to move. Sitting on the couch and resting is not going to help you. You have to start to move. I'm about to give you 3 great examples that you can start with, but the next video I'm posting is gonna be all the stretches and exercises that you should be doing to get even more results. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you get notified when that video comes out. Start by sitting back on your heels like I am and go up to both knees. This is a great movement because your back is staying straight. You're not going to irritate that nerve and you're learning how to use your hips. Do 10 to 15 reps like this. Or you could do this simple movement like a quad rock where you're sitting back on your heels from this all 4 position. Another great way to start using your hips and keeping your back straight. But that's the key, is keeping your back straight. A lot of people do this exercise or child pose and they feel they have to stretch out their lower back and feel that pulling sensation. That's actually going to create more inflammation because you're rounding your back, putting pressure back there. Your nerve is not going to like that. So make sure you keep your back nice and straight the entire time as you rock back and forth 15 times. If you're looking for something a little more challenging, you can go to this low bear position and hold it for 1 minute. This is a great way to challenge your core, taking pressure off that sciatic nerve. Let's do a quick recap. Step 1, get into a position of relief. Lay with a pillow underneath your side that is not painful. The painful side is going to be up. Then you can move this top leg down to where you feel the most relief. Step 2, do a nerve glide. Lay on your back, grab the side that is not painful, and go up and down 15 times. And then step 3, do a simple movement like quad rock. that's going to give you a lot of relief by teaching you how to keep your back straight as you sit back into your hips. That is by far the quickest way to get relief from sciatica. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I'd love to help you. Until next time, keep moving and enjoy the rest of your day.